Hey there, viewers, and welcome back to Grumpy Monkey Garage, where we're joined by Wrenching with Grandpa and Jerry from Tomcat Automotive, and they're going to help me try to get this old red piece of crap working again. Hypothesis? Hypothesis?
I didn't bring a sandwich.
It's not looking good. Let's get started. Okay, so we're working on Pops, the ancient F-150, and we've got Jerry from Tomcat here and Wrenching with Grandpa over there. And he has brought to my attention, even though I do have spark at the plug wire making it to the engine, that the fact that they look like they just came off the Titanic might have something to do with why it's not starting. So I've provided myself with new spark plugs while he's doing his art project. We also have a bore scope that we're going to be looking down the cylinders to see what they look like. And I'm gapping this spark plug, which takes all my attention. Cool. All right. This one is gapped correctly. Now this is old enough we actually use anti-seize, yes? On the spark plugs.
No, why?
Just hug-a-dug them?
Yeah, we did like me here.
Okay, yeah, so anti-seize is what I just heard. Just checking. All right, so the spark plugs are out now. They all look like they've been on the Titanic, so that's disgusting. Now we're gonna borrow the compression tester from Jerry and see if we have any up-down piston movement that has any kind of pressure to it. So we're gonna screw in this adapter and crank the engine over and see how much oomph it has. All right, last one. So, that was very depressing. What's the diagnosis, Jerry?
It's dead.
Found on yard
dead.
Found on yard dead.
It didn't even get on the road.
Nope, didn't even make it to the yard. You internet people who say these are good, stuff it. These are terrible. I'm very sad right now. It's no compression. It's pretty even. We don't suspect a timing problem. No sheared timing gear. No, it's just blown up. So what can be done? Tell us in the comments if you have any solutions, because otherwise this is going in the trash because it has made me very angry. So yeah, that is 3 out of 3 brick nose Fords that are endless garbage. Cool. We'll see you next time on Grumpy Monkey. Be sure to like and subscribe. Well, viewers, everybody who said they like these trucks, what's wrong with you? Why do you like this abuse? These are not good. Who's telling you these are good? This is the 3rd brick nose Ford I've bought. 2nd with a straight 6. First one had a 302. None of them have ever run, ever. They've always had some major catastrophe that prevents them from running, and they're all junk, every one of them. I'm mad now. I'm a salty bitch right now.